continuation of the ongoing celebration activities to mark 100 days in office, the Ojodu Lcda administration organized free healthcare services for residents. Senior citizens benefited from hypertension and diabetes screening alongside eye tests. Dental checks, blood pressure tests, blood sugar tests, as well as medical counseling were also available for residents. A medical officer, Ojodu Lcda, said the healthcare services are available in all district primary healthcare centers for interested parties, urging residents to maximize the opportunity.
And it's very particular about the health of the citizens. So there's a health screening going on. So what we are doing is we check for their weight and their height to calculate their BMI for diagnosing obesity. We check their blood pressure, their blood sugar levels. We also check for their dental health. There's also eye screening going on. We are also sensitizing and vaccinating people who have not been vaccinated for COVID. All this is for everybody that shows interest. But in particular, we're also doing prostate and cervical cancer screening for the elderly, 65 years and above.
Even I'm very, very happy for this program. And I thank God for this program, because what I have here now, I don't expect it, where I'll meet it for my body. So that's why I'm very thankful. I thank God for it.
I went through HIV, through blood, my sugar level, through my VP status. The chairman has really done great thing, because we know how much we are using to get this, and this for free. It's so lovely. So we appreciate the chairman that he should continue doing the good work he has started.
Business owners and artisans also had something to cheer about, as they received equipment that would facilitate their day-to-day business activities. Vulcanizing engines, hair dryers, sewing machines, makeup kits, DJ controller mixers were among empowerment items distributed to residents to boost their operations. Cash items were also presented to senior citizens, Association of Persons with Disability, and marketers to sustain their livelihoods. The education sector also received a boost, as pupils from all public schools in the SLDA received school bags. Beneficiaries appreciated the items and attested to the impact the equipment would have on their businesses.
I'm a DJ. I'm so happy. This really made me happy, because this is my first controller ever, and it's presented to me by Chairman Ojodu Lcda. This will really make me go very, very high, because as a DJ you have to have your own controller. It says a lot.
I'm having the box in my hand, and I thank the local government, the chairman that give me the my makeup artist. I want to thank him very much. He thanks him that God will bless him. From where he take the money, to be more in Jesus' name.
Ojodu Lcda expects the empowerment items to boost businesses of the beneficiaries, as he advised residents to also visit PHCs in the LCDA to take advantage of the ongoing free healthcare services.
I will employ everybody to take it serious. The COVID-19 pandemic is serious. The government have provided more resources for us to tackle it. There are more vaccines now available. They've been told to move out of the hospital into our market, into our towns, to make sure nobody's left behind. And we, as a government, in our local government, we've started a program which is Get Yours as well, to mobilize our people to get vaccinated. And the other health programs that we're running as well, for the elderly and for our infants as well.
The series of events on the day show that the Ojodu Lcda administration is a government for the people. In another development, a stakeholders meeting was held at the council hall to deliberate on the content of the 2022 budget in a bid to sustain development. Council executives, management team, traditional rulers, stakeholders, and other factions were in attendance. Addressing the audience, Ojodu Lcda said the exercise is a demonstration of his administration's commitment to involve the populace in governance. He implored stakeholders to express themselves while explaining the government interventions in their respective communities.
With this forum, We have commenced the budget cycle for 2022. And we need to align ourselves with the people to be sure that their needs are catered for. In addition, we want to obtain inputs, contributions, and suggestions from stakeholders on the 2022 budget process to promote citizen participation in the budget preparation. In terms of performance, as of June 2021, we are at about 50% budget performance. We intend to keep it that way and drive it up.
Stakeholders collated their inputs and presented them at the meeting. The Community Development Committee Chairman, Femi Abiono, commended the achievements of the Council Chairman in the last 100 days, expressing confidence that the 2022 budget will mark a new beginning in the LCDA.
About last week, we all came here. He spoke to us about the plans he has for Ojodu community. In fact, he's the first young, dynamic, vibrant chairman we'll be having here in Ojodu. And if you see what he has done in the last 100 days, he has done wonderfully well. And I'm very much sure if you give him more chance the next 1 year or 2 years, obviously he will do more in this community. In fact, he told us that he was born in this community, he schooled in this community, and now he's our chairman. Definitely, he will do much, much better.
The 2022 budget, christened a new beginning, is expected to usher in unprecedented developments in the LCDA.